Shuzo Mishima. Say that aloud.
Shuzo Mishima.
Okay. Oh, you're dead.
Hurry up and get chainsaw inside the van.
No.
Right.
Yeah, okay, sir. He's dead. Oh, he's getting squished.
Come on, get the
I'm about to get squished, sir.
You even listening to me, Mishima?
Oh, wow. Okay, she knows what to do. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Well, at least he just kind of just dies. At least it doesn't seem to be that painful. Essentially, it's an execution butt shot.
Takashi Inoue. Say that name.
Takashi Inoue.
Now that's you, buddy. Oh!